Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today you find me on a beach, a beautiful beach in Benidorm. So as we all know, this is a bit of a party town here. We are going to check out the pubs and the clubs. I'm going to walk you through where they all are and sort of what they've got to offer. We're going to start here on the seafront, check out the beach, check out a few little features on here and have a good time. Come on, let's go.
Yo, Itsajackslife, back to backs on its roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. Itsajackslife, adventure's great.
So just having a stroll down the front here. There's obviously lots of shops and bars. It's a bit quieter than the main town. So if you want to save the party until later, you want a casual little beer or even a soft drink while you relax on the beach, you can do. This beach is called Playa de Levante. Probably pronounced that incorrectly, but I'm English. Does that mean the beach of the Levante? Who knows? Either way, it's beautiful. Some of these tower blocks look okay, like this one looks okay, and then some of them look like this one. Terrible. This is like in the in-betweeners when they say, don't worry, it'll be nice when it's finished. I'm not sure it will be. I also made a massive schoolboy error on this trip. I'm filming 6 different towns for you for the channel and I forgot all of my sunglasses. So I'm going to squint a lot in this video unless I find a sunglass shop. Maybe I find a lucky man. You normally get a good deal with them for some Ray-Bans, don't you? Let's go find some sunglasses, I reckon. Right, I've gone for the aviators. They are slightly small. My massive head. I'm not sure they're the best sunglasses I've ever worn in my life, but at least I can see. That looks pretty fun over there in the sea. They got like a big obstacle course, inflatable obstacle course. That's why I'm sick and tired of using all these data roaming charges abroad, trying to work out how much I'm going to spend every time I travel to a new place. So this time I've got an eSIM. This eSIM is with Adventure Sim. Adventure Sims is incredibly easy to use. It has its very own app that you download straight from your app store, install it on your phone. Before you even buy a data plan for your eSIM, there's a checker right there in the app so you know your phone is capable before purchasing it. Once you do buy it, if you run out of data, you can top it straight up on the app. And the best part for me is it's got 24/7 support, real support from real tech. So if you ever get stuck or need some advice, they're there to help you as well. I'm so impressed with their product that I've decided to join up with them and give you a special offer. Use code JACK at checkout after choosing your plan and receive 10% off your purchase. Do it now and thank me later. Tiki Town Beach Club Bar looks pretty cool. That doesn't. So we're going to try out a little bit of the Old Town and go around some of these back streets. Most of these places around here are little tapas bars. see if we can have a look at any of the tapas. All these cute little streets. Wow, look at these ones. There's miles and miles of these cute little windy streets, lots of cool little bars. Food's all really interesting. You should definitely come give it a go. See what else we can find. Pretty fun just to have an explore around, even if you're not sampling the food. And also, if you're getting a bit burnt on the beach, you can find a bit of shade around these back alleys. Cool little street. Oh, about to get run over. What's this little square, little fountain? Benidorm Los Moretes. This also is a bit of a hidden beach, but everyone seems to have found it today. I was going to try and pronounce this for you as well. This is Playa de Ponete Beach. I went a bit French there at the end for some reason. But anyway, this is a cool little beach. So if you don't want the big main beach around that side of the headlands, this is a good little spot. But like I said, on a day like today in July, it is a busy spot. So we're going to start our tour not up a back alley, but we're going to the Balcón del Mediterráneo. It's a pretty good view this side. What a nice view. Pretty good view this side. And then you've got your harbour here, and another beach that goes all the way. Benidorm does go all the way around here. Follow the skyscrapers. Nice little beach here, and then this is the balcony of the Mediterranean. So this place used to be a site of a castle, and there's a few ruins up here that you can have a look at. You will also recognise it from the TV Benidorm. This is where their restaurant was, even though it's not actually a restaurant. Nice cannons. It is Castle of Benidorm. You can see the ruins here with crisp packet and bottle. It's nice that they look after their ancient artifacts in Spain. As you can see, this is the famous spot where the restaurant is. And then peppered all around are little glimpses of the castle. I assume it is though. Another little glimpse. I assume you can walk on this. Seems wrong. But you get cracking views from up here. You see the sea is popular today. It's 34 degrees, so no wonder people are in the sea. We're going to go down here to the balcony. So just off the beach here is sort of the high street. It's sort of all a little bit of a market town. You get lots of souvenirs, food, tattoos, that sort of stuff. The street's quite nice though, lined with trees. Benidorm sometimes gets a bad rep because of all the skyscrapers, but there are some nice green bits still. So even though we're going to come in here in the daytime, I thought I'd show you what the strip looks like. So if you are coming for a night out, you see where all the bars are. This is where a lot of the hotels are. Obviously the Fresh Hotel, and a bit of a party already, live band on. Also in Benidorm, the theming of some places is really cool, like this Morgan's Tavern, obviously rocking the pirate theme. And all this along here, this is where it all gets lively at the night time. But good places to eat, lots of steakhouses, lots of burgers and chips, and most importantly, lots of beer. This place going up here, the Palladium, is very popular for a well-known attraction. Can you guess what it is? Some call it the Sticky Show. That's enough said though for this video. Lucky, lucky man. Hoping to get lucky today. The Western Saloon. Again, theming on these places is really fun. Old cowboy bar. And then up here we've got Hotel California and the Crown Pub. I think we got Insomnia as well, if memory serves. Get yourself a Ducky Duck shirt. You do have to watch when crossing the road in Spain, especially when you're in a party town in Spain. Drivers do what they like. It's Insomnia, Golden Lips. Do we think that's a gentleman's club maybe? And then we've got the very famous Red Lion pub coming up shortly. Here is the Red Lion, where it's always happy hour, unless you're not drinking. She has been. We're here the middle of the day, so the Red Lion is not banging, but I thought I'd come in just to show you. I'm only having a Sprite because unfortunately I'm driving. But if I just give you a little tour, you can see it's a cracking pub. Big place. In the evening times, this is rammed. There's normally bands or DJ sets. Lots of dancing girls. It is interesting when you walk down the strip, some of the sights you see. If you have small children, maybe cover their eyes, or just be bad parents, I don't know, whatever you want to do. Cheers, everyone.
Hey, you! Don't touch that! Watch!
I actually thought that Mr. Bean was real then. Don't want drugs, thanks. Rocky's pub, famous pub over there. And then we got the Queen's Arms, I think, if I remember correctly. There it is. Karaoke's always good there. Pizzas look good. And the samosas. Rose and Crow. Here's the Queen's Arms. And then we got the Broadway. Normally has a bull there that you can ride. Zodiac and some more. Lady clubs. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you've all enjoyed. This has been Benidorm. Please do hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much.
Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a job.